What if I told you that a Chinese adventure bike now offers radar technology, heated seats, KYB suspension, and over 60 horsepower, all for less than many middleweight rivals? Well, that's exactly what the new 2027 KOVE 625X Pro is bringing to the table. In today's video, we're counting down 7 things you need to know before you buy this exciting new adventure crossover. Let's get started. Number 1. Bold adventure styling. The KOVE 625X Pro features a rugged adventure-inspired design with aggressive bodywork, a tall windscreen, full LED lighting, and a muscular fuel tank. It looks modern, premium, and ready for both city streets and long-distance touring. Whether you're commuting or exploring mountain roads, this bike definitely stands out. Number 2. Powerful 581 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Powering the bike is a 581 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine featuring a 270-degree crankshaft for a more characterful exhaust note and stronger low-end torque. It produces 62.5 horsepower and 56.5 newton-meters of torque, delivering smooth highway performance while remaining friendly for everyday riding. Number 3. Built for adventure. KOVE equips the 625X Pro with fully adjustable KYB suspension, giving riders confidence on rough roads and light off-road trails. With a 19-inch front wheel, 17-inch rear wheel, and 205mm of ground clearance, this bike is designed to handle much more than just pavement. Number 4. Premium technology. This is where the 625X Pro really surprises everyone. It comes with a 6.75-inch TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity, tire pressure monitoring, keyless ignition, heated grips, heated seat, plus advanced safety features like blind spot detection and rear collision warning. These are technologies normally found on much more expensive motorcycles. Number 5. Ready for long-distance touring. Adventure riders will appreciate the 21-liter fuel tank, providing an impressive riding range of nearly 500 kilometers under normal conditions. Comfort is also a priority, making this bike ideal for weekend adventures or cross-country trips. Number 6. Incredible value. One of the biggest reasons people are talking about the KOVE 625X Pro is its price. In Europe, it starts at around €6,690, with a promotional launch price of approximately €6,490. Considering the equipment included, it's hard to find another adventure bike offering this much value. Number 7. Should you buy one? If you're looking for a middleweight adventure